Hello kids, how are you all? Myself Premada Upadhyay from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. From somewhere I get to know that your science book has changed and I'm teaching from the old book. But no need to worry at all because those chapters is also available in the new book and it's just the number is moved from here and there. I'm going to show you the content of your new book and here it is. So here is the content of your new book. I taught you about the food and its digestion and teeth. But now I'm going to start from the beginning, that is the preparation of food in plants. So I'm going to tell you about the preparation of food, means how plants makes their food. For that your first topic is chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green substance, means it gives a green pigment to the leaves of the plant so that you can see the color of plants is green. As you see several trees, plants, color is green. That is all because of the chlorophyll. And chlorophyll also helps to mix the food in the plant. Without chlorophyll plants cannot make their food, so it is very important. And it also because of it the color of leaves also looks green. And now the types of leaves, how many types of leaves? As we see different types of plant, we can also see different structure and types of leaves as well. So now I'm going to show you some types of leaves. You can see the various types of leaves, that is their shapes and sizes of leaves are different. Here you can see the mango leaf, papaya leaf, peepal leaf, guava leaf, rose leaf, neem leaf. These all leaves are different in their shape and sizes. And now I'm going to tell you about the structure of leaf. To make you understand about the structure of leaf, here I made a diagram of a leaf. Here a broad and a flat surface of leaf, and it is called lamina. Lamina is also called leaf plate. A little thick vein is passing in the between of the leaf, and this thick vein is called midrib, and this thin veins are called network veins. Here is the outer layer of leaf, and this outer layer is called leaf margin. And here is a substance which is attached with the stem part. It is called petiole. You can see petiole. By this it is attached with leaf and stem. And now this is called apex, the lower part of the leaf, that is it is in the lower part and it is called apex. So here is the structure of leaf I am showing you. Now I'm going to tell you why is leaf important for the plant. What is the role of leaf in the plant in making food? What is the role of chlorophyll? And the food is prepared in plant by the help of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photo means light, synthesis means mixing together. Means it is a process in which plants makes their food in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide with the help of chlorophyll. As I told you, chlorophyll is very important for the plants to make their food. So photosynthesis is a process in which plants makes their food in the presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide by the help of chlorophyll. So photosynthesis is very important process, and it also helps in plants to make their food. Now what are the various plants absorbs water from the soil by the help of the root of the plant, that is below the trees, that root part. It absorbs water from there, and they absorb CO2 and gives oxygen with the help of stomata. You know what is stomata? Stomata is a teeny holes present in the lower part of the leaves. Understand? Stomata is a teeny holes which is present in the lower part of the leaves, and it also helps in the exchange of CO2 and O2 in the leaf. So it helps to exchange the CO2 and oxygen.